There's a new way to walk into the treetops of the Adirondacks, and on the way you'll learn about all the creatures who call the forest home. Kat Viglienzoni visited the Wild Center in Tupper Lake to check out its new Wild Walk for this morning's Sunday Science.
So it seems that since the Wild Walk has been opening here, it's been pretty busy. I mean, I see a lot of people coming through.
It's been phenomenal. Since we started our member preview weeks on June 27th, the number of visitors that we've had daily has been incredible.
So what was the goal of the Wild Walk when you decided to open it?
Wild Walk is really meant to take what we show inside the museum, inside the Wild Center, and bring it outside and take a museum and put it in an outside setting. Take off the ceiling, take down the walls, really look at what is around you and interpret that.
So as we walk along here, obviously there's a lot going on. What went into deciding what ultimately ended up in the final exhibit?
The original focus was on birds, but we wanted to expand that and look at all the different things that live in the forest, things that live 20 feet above us, 30 feet above us, and the adaptations they have to make to survive in the woods around us.
So what are some of the different elements we can see as we go through here?
Well, if you look here, there's a life-size board game where you're the pieces, and it's a migration game. So you can choose whether or not you want to be a bird who migrates away from the Adirondacks in the wintertime, or if you want to be one who stays. And there's actually a 50% chance survival rate, which is the real survival rate that we have in real life.
Wow.
We have a twig house. There's a snag, which is a replica of a white pine tree. And then behind us will be a spider's web that we have.
So I think I'm thankful that no spiders of actual size like this exist in the Adirondacks.
No, this is a shamrock spider. It's 100 times the size of a real one. And so we've had it made to crawl into our spider web.
Which is a hive of activity right now. I mean, there are so many kids here. Was it designed to be this kind of almost like a playground for them?
It was actually. When we were talking about building Wild Walk, it's evolved through many different thoughts and processes, and people were saying we needed to have these safely dangerous elements. So one of those is the spider web, and we have some swinging bridges as well. But you know, it's completely safe, but you're about 24 feet off the ground. You can look down through the nets and see the ground, and just have a good time on it.
And they are.
They are.
Now we're just at the end of the walk and you get to this giant nest. What is it?
It is an eagle's nest, and it is actually not that much larger than the largest eagle's nest ever recorded.
Oh, wow.
And at that point, you're about 40 feet in the air, so you've gone from ground level to 40 feet at a gradient that is completely accessible for wheelchairs, strollers, scooters, for anybody.
Nice. And then what do we see from up here?
You can see views of Whiteface and Mackenzie Mountains, the Seward Range. You can get a great view of the complete unbroken canopy of the Adirondacks.
Wow. And being this high up, most people don't ever get to see that. What does that mean for people to get to actually experience it firsthand?
We just want to change your perspective. And so many people spend so much time indoors now that people don't go outdoors. And we want people to spend time outdoors, get the benefits of being outdoors, change your perspective, and really look at what's around you.
Now, there's a whole lot Kat didn't get to check out. She's going to put some more information on our website about tickets, the whole thing, but the Wild Walk is included in admission there, so you'll want to check it out.